Hello everyone and welcome to Lounging with Lenny. My name is Lenny and this is my daughter Anna. Today we are making creme brulee with the Chambord liqueur. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. You will need 6 egg yolks separated from egg whites. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell to get notified about my new videos. I'm using my own hands to fish out the egg yolks, but you can use egg separator or egg shell. Make sure that there is no egg whites in egg yolks. Set the egg yolks aside and work on a custard. Pour half a cup of sugar and 2 cups of heavy cream into the saucepan. Stir it to help sugar to dissolve faster. Add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Heat the mixture until it starts to boil at the edges. Or you can check by pouring couple drops on your hand. The mixture should be medium hot. Now I will add cream mixture into the egg yolks. To prevent the bowl from sliding while I whisk, I wet the towel and fold it like this. Now I can place the bowl with egg yolks and gradually add cream mixture. Make sure you're not adding everything at once. You don't want to cook the egg yolks. Heavy cream and egg yolks are the main ingredients in creme brulee. Creme brulee is also known as burnt cream, trinity cream, or crema catalana. It's a dessert consisting of rich custard base with a layer of hardened caramelized sugar. For extra flavor, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Chambord raspberry liqueur to give my creme brulee raspberry aftertaste. Skim the top with tablespoon. You want your custard to be clear from bubbles. I'm transferring my custard into measuring cup, so it will be easier to pour into the ramekins. Take a deep sheet pan, place the wet towel on the bottom to prevent ramekins from sliding, and pour in the custard. I'm using deep ramekins, so cooking time needs to be increased. Pour boiling hot water into the pan. Make sure to cover the ramekins halfway. Put your creme brulee in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, or until the custard center is jiggly and the edges are set. Remove from the oven, cool it down at room temperature for 1 hour. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate it. I recommend to do overnight, so the creme brulee will set properly and get the perfect texture. But if you're not patient enough, you can refrigerate it for 5 hours. And the final step is to create a layer of caramelized sugar. You will need a fire torch to do that. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of sugar and spread it evenly. Constantly move your torch. You want to create even layer of caramel. Don't worry if some parts get a little burnt. It will add extra bitter flavor to this rich, sweet and creamy creme brulee. Wait for 5 minutes for your caramel to harden and serve it with the berries of your choice. Enjoy!